Alright, so this is the RDT programming project for Bailey, Brady, and Connor. We're going to run through RDT 2.1 first. We're going to start the server with port 5000, server on the left, and then we'll come over here and start client. And if you look in here, you'll see that we're handling corruption up towards the top in the client. NAC and ACK packets going on. We see that in every situation it resolves to get us the correct pig Latin message. And then we have RDT 3.0. RDT 3.0, which will run the server first on port 5000. And then we'll start the client as well. You see we run into corruption, and then we have some timeouts going on, meaning packet loss occurred. It was resolved with an ACK, and then we got the translated message that we wanted. We move on to the next message. Packet loss occurs and some corruption again until we get the correct message, and the process repeats dependent on how the probabilities work out. And then you can see at the end that we get the final translated message, and it's working as expected. For RDT 2.1, we set the value of loss to 0 because loss is not accounted for in RDT 2.1, and we set the probability of corruption to 30%. For RDT 3.0, we set the probability of loss to 30% and the probability of corruption to 30%. And that pretty much consists of all of our programming project.